Hello YouTube and welcome to lesson 42 of the Adobe InDesign tutorial series, and today we're going to look at how to highlight paragraphs inside of Adobe InDesign. So to highlight paragraph, what you can simply do is you can select a paragraph that you want to highlight. Just click the mouse over here. It knows that this is a paragraph. So over here I'm on my paragraph editing mode. So this is the text editing mode where it does not actually is seen over here. It's over here at the right. So I'm gonna go on to my paragraph editing mode so that it comes over here. So over here you can see that there's a box called shading. Just click on that and you can see that the color is applied. And now if you were to go over here, you can see that you can choose different colors as per your wish. So now let's say for example I want to increase the S. I don't want it to be squeezed around the S just like that. So I'm simply going to go over here and alt click this. So I'm going to hold alt on my keyboard and click on the space right here, and you can see that now I have my shading on. And I can also, let's say for example, choose the color. I can add the swatches over here to get more option right here. So now what I can do is I can change the tint of the color as well to get a different shade of the color. I can set the offset, so you can see that I can increase and decrease the offset. And if I were to unlink this option, then you can see that I can add an offset to individual bottom and so forth. So over here on the top, as you can see that I can add it to the baseline or just the leading. So you can see that the top line is much more bigger than the rest, and I can also change the baseline and so forth. Over here you can also just go to the text or the column itself, so you can see that this exceeds the column, and if you were to just do the text, it'll actually just surround the text right there. If you were to clip to frame, you can see that it'll cut off the S that is going off the frame. So I'm just gonna do that. And you can also check something called do not print or export. That means whenever your document is actually being exported, it will not apply. So anyways, you can see that you can actually have it pretty easy. So you can highlight a paragraph just easily without having to create an excess shape, which is quite useful in the long run. So this is how you can highlight paragraphs inside of Adobe InDesign. Hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.